Hey, good morning everyone. This is Amando E once again. Andito na naman tayo, trabaho na naman, oras ng trabaho. Kaya punta po tayo sa workstation natin dito sa Saikong area. Pakita ko sa iyo kung saan yung bangka namin. Ito po.
Yan po ang bangka namin, yung may gold. Yan. So punta natin yan at magtatrabaho.
Is three buses from Soconfat from my place. Isa na yung 252. Tsaka punta po tayo sa pass by po tayo sa interchange at saka sakay ng 2590 or 2580 at until Choi Hong, and then Choi Hong sakay po tayo ng 92. Yan, baba po tayo. Pag nakasakay na po tayo ng 92, baba po ako sa Pakong at saka lakad papunta dito. Yan, every day. Yan, official time po natin in the morning is 9:30 in the morning yung time in. At saka most likely yung official time talaga ng out natin is 5:30. Pero matapos na yung trabaho, nasa 3 o'clock, 3:30, 4 o'clock, uwi na po tayo pagkatapos ng trabaho natin. Kasi malayo yung trabaho na at trabahuan natin. At saka yung pauwi natin, malayo din. Nasa 1 hour and 30 minutes po yung duration of travel.
Hey, Mama.
Hey, what's up, brother?
How are you, Mama?
Good morning to you, brother. Cleaning staff locker located in main deck, and I'm going to clean this one. Yeah, and I'm going to thick clean. This is thick. Going to scrub this all day today until here. And this side also going there. And I'm going to use this machine. This is polisher. So let's start the work today. Malaking trabaho po. Yan. Tsaka yan. Malaking trabaho po today. Matatapos po tayo mga bandang alas 3, alas 4 para makauwi din tayo ng maaga.
Cleaner is ito po, Eco 100 para kuha talaga yung mga dirt. Matunaw. Pag na-resolve na, yan, okay na tayo dyan. Pwede na i-apply dyan.
gonna show you what is the output of my work today. Okay? Ayun, ako lang mag-isa ang nagtatrabaho today. Kasi day off lahat ng mga crew, kaya ako lang. So, we gonna go back to our home. Sweet home. Okay. Time to go home. Wala amang sunset. We cannot see sunset now.